When you start to learn about technical analysis, the first concept that we stumble upon is trend. The first concept, what is trend? So trend in a way is a mass adoption. Mass adoption of anything becomes a behavior. That behavior is a trend. So in fashion, in 1960s, we used to wear bell-bottom pants, and over a period of time that picked up in 1980s, and eventually the trend fade off. So trend is in a way of mass adoption and fading off. In technical analysis, we see trend in a similar fashion. When people tend to buy a similar stock, the price keeps on moving up, right? So that's a trend. It's a mass adoption. When people start to buying, so in a way, trend is also a herd mentality, where majority of people are adopting or buying a similar stock, price keeps on moving higher, and then we say the trend is bullish. Similarly, when there is fear in the market and we keep on selling the stock or any particular company, the stock price tends to fall. The trend becomes bearish. At the end, when we say trend, it is nothing but a mass action. Mass action of buying or mass action of selling is known as bullish or bearish trend. So when we come to options trading, trend is a very critical tool or a critical factor that we have to understand. If markets are trending, we can select a certain way of trading options. Maybe long call or a long put. So we can go long with options or short with options when we have trend in place. But if we don't know where markets are moving, it can be bullish, it can be bearish, or maybe when we say there is no trend, that means markets are sideways. In that, we can trade straddles and strangles. So these are some concepts that you can trade, but the underlying assumption is that you know about trend. Going forward, we are going to decode how to plot trend on the candlestick chart. There are simple structures, there are indicators on which we can decode trend. Whether markets are trending or non-trending, that also can be understood with help of technical analysis. So now you know why trends are important for trading options. So now let us learn how to identify trend using the charts.